Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the other ABS key cover for Mazda with noble paint. It is a protective thing for your car keys. It is a car key cover for the key type 2BKL. And here it is the type in the red design. It is also available in different others like blue, black or white. And it protects your remote keys of your car by getting some troubles by scratches and other problems. It is protection or a protective thing for your car key. The robust ABS key cover effectively protects against scratches and abrasions. The high-quality processed ABS is refined in a complex finish. It is comparable to car paint. Well protected, the paint will last for years. It is perfectly adapted. The case is tailor-made for your car key. All functions can be operated perfectly, and this is right. I'm still using this key protection thing a couple of weeks. It has an individual style. From the variety of colors, you can choose your cover to match your style. In this case, it is a red styler. Oh yeah! And its compatibility range is nice. From 2013 up to 2018 models. It is for model 1 to 1, 2, 3, 3 to 3, 5, 6, 6 to 6, and the CX model 3, 5, 7, and 9, Demio, MPV, MX3, 5, and 6, Primacy, and the RX 7 and 8, Tribut, Xedas 6 from /12 models. Yeah, and here you can see it matched perfectly, really perfect. It has a nice finished design, and each button is reachable and usable. It is really easy to assemble. You will not need any tool. It is premium painted and it will protect your car keys. Yeah, and it is compatible with the keychain, of course. Yeah, it is really awesome. And so many Mazda models are compatible with it. So here we are. You can see, only get it in position, push a little bit, job's done. And it is assembled soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.